For data flow control there are two types of data link protocols, stop and wait, and sliding window protocol. In this video we will learn about stop and wait protocol. In stop and wait protocol, sender sends one frame at a time, and waits for receiver to acknowledge that frame. To understand this protocol, suppose there is a sender, which wants to communicate to the other computer. Through a noisy communication channel, sending machine receives information packet from its network layer, and converts it into frame, by appending data link layer header and trailer. Now, here is how the protocol works. Sending machine sends the frame and waits for the acknowledgement. Receiver on the other hand, sends the acknowledgement when the frame is received undamaged. Let's consider the complexities of this protocol. As the communication channel is noisy, there is a possibility that the frame gets lost on its way, or frame arrives at receiver in damaged condition. In either case, sender will keep waiting for the acknowledgement. As a result, channel bandwidth is wasted. To solve this problem, a timer is used. When the frame is sent, a timer is started. If the sender does not receive the acknowledgement until the timer is expired, that particular frame is sent again. Now consider another more complex scenario. After receiving correct data frame, receiver sends back acknowledgement frame which gets lost. Now, sender has no way of telling whether data or acknowledgement frame is lost. So sender will time out eventually, and it resends that data frame again. As that data frame was already received by the receiver, data frame will be duplicated. To solve this problem, a sequence number is attached with the outgoing frames. When the receiver receives an undamaged frame, with same sequence number, it simply discards the duplicate frame. I hope you have now better understanding about how this protocol works. Thank you!